Good evening. Welcome to my channel. It's an official channel. No, it's not really a formal channel for a formal content. It's just kumbaga, ano ba tawag dito? May term dun yung widow. When it comes to playing, di ba? Playing a piano, di ba? How do you play piano? Diba? Mga ganong question. Well, it's just a widow. So, walang pattern. So, matigas din yung kamay ko. So, i-share ko lang na, eto nga, this is a new purchase guitar. My second guitar. So it's my second guitar. It's an Epiphone Classic Les Paul. I'm not sure what's the color, pero cherry burst yata eh. So it's similar to, of course, Slash, my hero, my guitar hero, my childhood hero. Until now, I'm a middle-aged man, but I still admire Slash for his contribution to our music society. So I bet na most of you naman is alam si Slash, and when especially yung mga guys into music, especially rock, they know the trademark na Slash is well known for playing a guitar, a Les Paul guitar, which is Gibson. Those are the expensive version of Les Paul, so it costs more than 100,000 pesos, diba? Even more if signature, especially if mga nasa line ng signature series. So yung Slash, I think yung model ng gitara niya for Epiphone version only, it cost around 80k. So that's Epiphone, the lower version of Gibson for less budget folks like me. So yes, it's a budget guitar, but when we say less expensive, so may mga na-compromise na feature for an instrument, di ba? For example, yung sound, yung tone, it's not really good because the electronics or the parts like pick up, then electronics behind, inside this body is not it's not a good, or let's say it's not a high quality. So less expensive, meaning yung tone niya is less din. Depende kung natatamaan, pero since it's a guitar, usually ang tatamaan dito it's yung tunog. Pero for this one, first time, I'm not really a Les Paul user, so first time. So I have this for about a month naman na rin. Pero it can rock, man. So clean tone, again, bara reduce, so it's a clean tone. I'm using an NG50 Marshall amp. It's connected from my pedal board. So share na rin natin pedal board, di ba? So again, hindi to pagalingan ng tipa since ang tigas ng kamay ko. So it was just, sharing is caring, di ba? Okay, so the Les Paul, the Gibson, this one is connected directly to my pedal board. So this is the pedal board. From the guitar, it's connected to a wah, an AMT wah. It's a Russian made wah pedal which is good. It's small, it's compact. Though I'm not really a guitar player that goes into gig, di ba? Every na, I mean, hindi ako yung gig, hindi ako yung session guitarist. It's just a plain hobby. Some say they called it a bedroom guitarist. That's, I think, the best definition for what type of guitar player am I. So yun, the wah effect, 'di ba? That's the right naman the from the guitar, wah muna talaga. Then for the dirty, for the metal sound, for some sort of Metallica, Megadeth, Pantera, which are my influences. I was highly influenced by those bands. For metal, sounded like those bands I mentioned. That's the Pocket. Then for rock and roll, especially for Guns N' Roses, alternative, AC/DC, some sounded like a classic rock and roll. Yan, I'm using Super Badass. So again, for the super dirty, I'm using Pocket. Then Super Badass for just a rock and roll sound. And it sounded good. The MXR is a well-known not high quality. Matic yun, pero they're well-known for their tone, for the pedal effects they're releasing. Almost model type of distortion, or whether what kind of pedal. MXR is still on top. One of the leading sounded or great producing sounded tone that worth for money kasi it's pricey. Then modulation, so yun nga kasi we need it, di ba? Modulation, those are the added layer for the tone, for the clean tone and the dirty tone. So andyan yung reverb. We have a visitor. Di ba? Pusa namin, bubukas yan. So yun, modulation, it's a Zoom MS7 CDR. It's a stomp box which is loaded of multi-stomp boxes inside of this small pedal. So may reverb, may delay, may compressor, meron din siyang chorus, flanger, any special effects